Shivering. Oh, my friends, my beautiful life is shivering as I grow old, with sufferings increasing day by day. It is in need of a remedy. If a man suffers because of his love, if a snake catcher looks for the queen of snakes, if brave men saddle their horses, led by their honor and vengeance, look how wise old men, they have great life experience, they have seen plenty of good and evil, accompanying us all the time. Magtymguly, you are 50. Sadness and anxiety are your friends. Don't be ignorant. Raise your head. Old age is just a reason for complaints.